I've seen this RENPHO measuring tape all over social media, and I'm so excited to have it. What it does, it allows you to measure your entire body fast, easy, and it keeps all of your results right on the RENPHO app. I'm going to show you how fast and easy this is. So as soon as you turn it on, you're just going to go ahead and pull that measuring tape. As you can see, it's already starting to count. But there is like a little clasp right here. So all I'm going to do is expand it so I can get it over my arm. And then I'm going to tighten the measuring tape up to where it's snug. And that reading right there automatically gets uploaded and tracked into the RENPHO app. So the days of having to write down all of your measurements and track them are gone. It's all on the app. As you are measuring yourself, your results will be uploaded into the RENPHO app in real time. So here is an overview of your current measurements. If you select the Trends button, you can scroll over and you can view all of your different measurements that you have for that week. So you can see your history versus where you are currently. If you want to learn more about the RENPHO measuring tape, it is linked in my bio.